Hey there, I'm Benjamin from Loves Data. In this video, I'm going to show you how to combine data in Google Sheets. We'll look at the steps we need to take to combine cells in a single sheet or tab, how to combine cells across multiple sheets or tabs, and we'll also look at how to combine data from separate spreadsheets. If you're just getting started with Google Sheets, then take a moment to check out my beginner's tutorial. You can find a link in the description below this video. Okay, it's time to get started, so let's head to Google Sheets. We can see my example spreadsheet includes a column for first name, last name, and email address. We can then see there are two columns for people's scores. These are score number 1 and score number 2. If you'd like a copy of the spreadsheets we're using for this tutorial, then you can find details in the description below this video. Okay, let's start by combining people's first and last name. To do this, let's create a new column. Let's name the column full name. There are different ways we can combine the text from the first and last name columns. We're going to use a simple method to join the values. However, you could also use a function to achieve the same result. Let's enter equals, then $, A2. This will grab the value of the cell that contains the first name. Now let's enter ampersand to join the cells. Then we're going to enter quote marks, then a space, then quote marks. This will mean that we include a space, the value between the quote marks, between the first and last name when it's combined. Now we enter ampersand, $B2. This will grab the value from the cell that contains the last name, and we can see a preview of the result for our formula. Let's click Enter. We can now see the first and last name combined in our new full name column. Now all we need to do is copy this cell and paste this into the other cells. We can now see the full name for all of the rows in our spreadsheet. Now let's combine the two score columns. Let's add a column on the left, and let's name the column score number 1 and 2. And let's select the cell and enter equals, then sum, then open parenthesis, F2, plus sign, G2, close parenthesis, and let's click Enter. And let's copy the formula to the other cells. We can now see the total value for each person in our spreadsheet. So that's how we can combine numerical values and text in a single sheet or tab in Google Sheets. Okay, but what if the cells we want to combine are in different sheets or tabs? Let's open the other tab in our spreadsheet. We can see this sheet has a column for score number 3. So let's look at how we can calculate the total score from this sheet combined with the total score from our first sheet. I want to highlight the people are listed in a different order compared to our first sheet. So first of all, we're going to simply calculate the total score for everybody. Then in a moment, we'll cover how we can combine the values for individual people or rows in our sheet. Let's head back to our first sheet. And let's name our column score number 3. Now let's select the cell. We're going to enter equals, then single quote. Now we need to enter the name of the sheet or tab we want to use. For our example, we're going to enter extra sheet because this is the name of the tab. Now we enter single quote, then exclamation point, then C2. This is for the cell we want from the other sheet. Now let's click Enter. We can now see the value from our other sheet. This is 19. We can quickly check this by selecting our other sheet. And we can see that cell C2 does have a value of 19, so this has worked. Let's change 19 to 18. And now let's head back to the first sheet. We can see the value has changed to 18, So that's the nice thing about pulling in the values using this method. It means that any changes are immediately reflected in our spreadsheet. If we were to simply copy and paste the values, then they would be static and wouldn't change. Okay, now let's copy our formula to the other cells. Now we can see all of the values, and we can now create a formula to add all of the scores together. Let's select a cell. And let's enter equals, then sum, open parenthesis, F2, colon, H7, close parenthesis, and then click enter. We can now see that the combined total score is 538. However, as I mentioned previously, the values in our new column aren't actually for those particular people, since the order was changed in the extra sheet. Since we probably want the correct scores for each individual, we need to change this. So let's delete the values in our score number 3 column. Let's select the cell at the top. We enter equals, then VLOOKUP, open parenthesis, D2. This means we'll be using people's email address to find the value for their third score from the other sheet. Now we enter comma, then single quote, then extra sheet, single quote, exclamation point, A, colon, C. Basically, we've entered the name of the sheet or tab we want to use, and we're going to use the first 3 columns, so A, B, and C. Next we enter comma, then 3. This means that when a match is found based on someone's email address, we'll pull in the value from the third column. For our example, this will be the value from the score number 3 column. Now we enter comma, false, and close parenthesis. Let's click enter. We can now see the specific value for this person from the extra sheet based on their email address. We can now copy and paste the formula to our other cells. That's it, we've now combined values from 2 separate sheets into a single sheet. Finally, we're going to combine cells from an entirely separate spreadsheet. We're going to pull in the status levels for each person. Let's take a quick look at the other spreadsheet. We can see each person is listed based on their email address. We can see their status level along with other details in the sheet. Just like our previous example, we can see that people are listed in a different order compared to our original spreadsheet. So we're going to use the VLOOKUP function again. In a moment, we're going to need the URL of this spreadsheet. So let's copy the URL. And now let's head back to our original spreadsheet. Let's name the column Status. And let's select the cell. We're going to enter equals, VLOOKUP, open parenthesis, D2, comma, import range, open parenthesis, quote marks. Now we need to paste the URL of the other spreadsheet. And now we're going to enter quote marks, comma, quote marks, single quote, and we're going to enter the name of the sheet or tab from the other spreadsheet. For our example, this is extra sheet 2. Then we're going to enter single quote, exclamation point, A, colon, B, quote mark, close parenthesis, comma, 2, comma, false, close parenthesis. Now we can click enter. We can see it says you need to connect these sheets. So let's click Allow Access. We can now see the value for this person based on the value in the separate spreadsheet. We can now copy the formula to the other cells. That's it. We've now combined cells from an entirely separate spreadsheet in Google Sheets. If you're pulling in values instead of text, then you could combine this technique with a formula to create new calculations in your sheet. And before we wrap up, I just want to mention that you can get a copy of the sheets we've used for this tutorial. You can find details in the description below this video. So they're the different techniques you can use to combine cells in Google Sheets. And remember, you can use a function inside your sheet if you also need to join cells together. When you're happy with your spreadsheet, then check out my videos covering visualization options in Google Sheets and Google Data Studio. Are you going to combine cells in Google Sheets? Do you have any tips you'd like to share? I'd love to know. Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, share it with your friends, and hit the like button so I know to make more videos like this. See you next time.